Hi, I want to show you how to fix Photos app on iPhone. So firstly, of course, find and open Photos. And with new update, you may notice that interface has been changed and there are many additional features and suggestions that you may not want to see in your Photos app. So to bring that simplicity back, you can scroll all the way down and choose option Customize and Reorder. So here, I suggest you to keep only albums, media types, utilities, and recent days. So let's hold the lines and drag albums up, as well as utilities and also media types. And every other album I'm just gonna remove by removing the check mark and tap here to save the changes. And now we got our photos back to normal. So in media types you can see videos, selfies, so all of the categories including screenshots that you may need. In utilities, you can view your hidden album, recently deleted scanned QR codes, and illustrations. In albums, you can view all of your personal shared activity albums. And if you swipe up, you will see the list of your photos and recent days. Now you can also tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Here, enable or disable to show featured content and show holiday events. Now, if you want to hide this hidden album, then go in Settings, tap on the Apps section, then find Photos, and here, just toggle off the switch near Showing Hidden Album, and then it will disappear from utilities. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.